raining like a motherfucker.
It's a little rough.
Take out that joint. Yeah, right in there. You guys see a backpack over.
I like that dude at the front. I was thinking about it.
Sir, you know if this ferry have a specific name or it's just got Bacon Pat Ferry, that's it. It's still safe and okay to jump off the ferry and swim across too, right?
I don't think Bob got the memo when I said in the sun. tiny little lizard just chilling right there.
It's definitely good for surgery, it seems.
Ketamine?
Yeah, that's what the doctor gave me when I got hit by the car. I was like, yo, you gotta step back a second.
Tilapia farm here?
The tilapia farm is a little bit farther back. This is more of the cattle. This is the piggery and cattle section of the phase. Milking.
Whorehouse.
They used to do
the
milk
farm
there too.
whorehouse.
I don't know if they still milk the cows there as
All
well.
the breeding.
I kind of want to fucking raise cows just to milk them to give these people cheap milk. It's not fair, man, how much we have to pay for milk in comparison to some shit that we pay for cheaper that's
Yeah.
imported here. That's fucking stupid.
But we need better management. Like this African guy interviewed this guy from Arabia, and he asked him, how come you guys have such great leaders? And then he said, you know what, Africa is the richest continent on the planet Earth. He said, but the reason why you guys have none is because you guys have bad leaders and corruption. He said, we have nothing, but we have great leaders. I love that.
Some moves now.